Hey Slayers, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and comment below. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey best friend. If not, hey best friend, I missed you. So today, you guys, as you can see by the title, I will be unboxing my September subscription from Boxy Charm. My first video of my Boxy Charm was in August. I think I posted that on my Instagram page. I'll definitely leave the handle for my Instagram page down below in the description. You can follow me at Shae's Beauty. That's SHAE SB as in boy, EAUTE. So let's get into this box. I'm super excited, you guys. I got some good stuff in the last box that I had, so you guys should definitely check out that video on Instagram. It was super cute. I got some good stuff in there, so hopefully I got some good stuff here too. Okay, so just taking everything out, and okay, so to start, this is a palette. This is the Spanglish palette, pressed pigment palette. This is by Alamar Cosmetics. I've never used Alamar before, so this will be interesting. Oh, you guys, look at this. These are so cute. See if you can see. Now flip it this way so you can read each name. Oh wait, it would be helpful if it was upside right. Yeah, okay. It was upside down. I'm sorry, you guys. So you have Pero Like, Eres un Show, DNA Swing, Guau, Ay Que Cutie, Ja Ja Ja, Muy Excited, and Ponte Hyper. I think that's how you say that. So this will definitely be coming into use. Oh, I see that they're also cruelty-free. You guys know I love cruelty-free products, so I'm super excited about that. And let's see what we got. Oh, hey, some Huda Beauty. Okay. So this says it's matte and metal melted shadows. Ooh. Can you guys see that? Oh, that's cute, you guys. Oh my goodness, I've always wanted some Huda Beauty. I've never tried their products before. And then this is the other side. Oh, definitely gonna figure out some fall colors with this. Thank you, Huda Beauty. Ooh. And then I have here, oh, a BillionDollarBeauty. I have their eyebrow pencil. So this is a sponge gray. They're cruelty-free and vegan also, so you never can have that many, you know, or too many beauty blenders, so that's going to be exciting for me too. Oh, okay, so I think this is, I think you said Gellar or Gellar. Laura Gellar. I've never used her products before. This is the Volumizing Brush Mascara. See that, you guys can see. Oh, and then it has a little before and after on the back. Oh, this is going to be good. Okay. So, all right, that's 4 products down. 1 more to go. Oh, okay. So this is some exfoliating treatment by Somerville. All right. Now, I think I have the paper here somewhere. Hold on, you guys. Okay, I'm back. So this was the card that showed all the products and the pricing for my August box. I got Glam Glow Moisture Trip face moisturizer. I had Trestique Summer Glow set. I had Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. I got a 4-piece Morphe brush set, and then I got Rockins Cosmetics Big Fat Liner in August box. So definitely check out that video on Instagram, you guys. And then this one is super cute. This one's the Glam Vibes Only. So this is August, and then this was September. So this is super cute. I like their little cards that they have. And that they tell you what each pricing is on the back. So that's amazing. And you know that with Boxy Charm is $25 a month. And so with the Katie, or the Kate, the Somerville, this is retail for $85. So that is amazing. And then, let's see here. The Alamar Cosmetics palette is $28. So that's, I could see that being a $28 palette. Then you have, I'm trying to go in order here, you guys. You have Huda Beauty. This is 25 bucks. And then you have, let's see, Laura here. Laura is $24 retail. And then lastly, my BillionDollarBeauty is 15 bucks. So this was my September subscription box, you guys. I'm super excited to try out all the products. You guys have seen me use the Omega Moisture Trip from my last box in for August. So I'll definitely be trying out these products here. I'm super excited. I can't wait. And I'd love to tell you guys about it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Have you guys used some products already before? Let me know. I love suggestions and feedback. Thank you guys so much. Today's Sunday, so I hope tomorrow is a beautiful, beautiful week for you guys. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, so have a great day. Have a great week. And just reach out to me if you guys want to talk about anything, or if you have any suggestions or what I should do as far as my video, because you know I'm new. So give me all the feedback, you guys. I love hearing it. And thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna do another video for you guys as another skincare routine. I'm getting some new products from Urban Skin RX, so I'm so excited to try those out. And I just hope you guys have an awesome week. Mwah. Love you, best friends.